Welcome to Learn Miss English Show with Emma.
And with Leo.
I'm so happy you are here. Today, we learn English step by step together. Hi, Leo. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am good, thank you. I am happy to learn English with you.
That's great, Leo. And hello to our listeners, too. Let's start with something easy and fun. We will learn greetings first. Leo, do you know how to say hello in English?
Yes, I say hello.
Perfect. Say it again with me. Hello.
Hello.
Very good. Now, how do you say hi?
Hi.
Yes. Hi and hello mean the same. They are friendly words to start a talk. Now let's practice. Listeners, repeat after us. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night.
Wow, so many greetings. When do I say good morning, Emma?
You say good morning before noon, when the sun is up and the day starts, and good night when the day ends.
Oh, I see. Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Leo. Now you are learning fast. Now, Leo, let's learn numbers. Can you count from 1 to 10?
I can try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent. Let's say them again, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Listeners, say it with us.
Emma, what comes after 10?
After 10 comes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20.
That's a lot of numbers.
Yes, but we can practice every day. Let's count again. 1 to 20 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yay! I did it!
Great job, Leo, and great job, listeners. Now, Leo, do you know the days of the week?
Not all.
Let's learn together. There are 7 days in a week. Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Perfect. Now let's say today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday.
Oh, that's fun. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday.
Yes, you sound great. Look around. What do you see?
I see a table. I see a chair.
Good. Table, chair. What else do you see?
I see a book. I see a pen.
Nice. Let's say it together. table, chair, book, pen. Repeat after us, dear listeners. Table, chair, book, pen.
Emma, can I say, I have a pen?
Yes, that's correct. Say it again.
I have a pen.
Good job. Now say, I have a book.
I have a book.
Perfect. You are learning fast, Leo. Now, let's talk about food and drinks. Leo, what food do you like?
I like apples. I like rice. I like bread.
Yum. And what do you drink?
I drink water. I drink milk. Sometimes I drink juice.
Nice. Let's say it again for practice. I like apples. I like bread. I drink water. I drink milk.
Emma, how do I say when I'm hungry?
Easy. You say, I am hungry. And when you want water, say, I am thirsty.
I am hungry. I am thirsty.
Let's eat after class, okay?
Okay, Emma.
Now, let's learn about daily activities. Leo, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Very good. Then what do you do?
I go to school. I study English. I play with my friends.
Nice. And what do you do at night?
I eat dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed.
Good job. Let's say it together for our listeners. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study. I play. I eat dinner. I go to bed.
That's my day, Emma.
And that's a good day, Leo. Okay, Leo, let's review what we learned today. We learned greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food and drinks, and daily activities. You did so well.
Thank you, Emma. I learned many new words today.
And you, dear listeners, did great too. Remember, listen, repeat, and practice every day. That's how you learn English. See you next time on Learn Miss English Show with Emma.
Bye, everyone. See you soon.
Bye-bye.